Everyone, I'm going to talk about my topic software and its applications. Software. It is a set of program that provides the instructions to the computer for what to do and how to do. In other words, software is a set of programs which is designed to perform a well-defined task. A program is a sequence of instructions written to solve a particular problem. Software is an computer component that means which we cannot touch physically. In simple terms, we can say that all those computer applications or programs which run behind the monitor screen are known as software. Example, Microsoft Windows Notepad, Microsoft Word, Windows Media Player, etc. Types of software. In computer, software can be classified three categories. First one is system software, then second is application software, and third one is utility software. First one is system software. It is that software used for controlling the internal operations of the computers. The main features of a system software are the main job of the system software is to act as an interface between the user and the computer. It makes the operation of a computer system more effective and efficient. It controls all the processing activity and make sure that the resources and the powers of the computers are used in most efficient manner. System software checks the abilities of different devices, scan input devices for input and send output to output devices. System software converts the instructions from user understandable language to computer understandable language. System software keep tracks of initialization of CPU time and memory by different running applications. The computer manufacturer usually provided system software. The various type of computers require different type of system software program in order to operate. Some examples of system software are operating system, compiler, assembler, and linker, etc. Second is types of system software. First one is system control program. Second one is system support program. Third one is system development program. System control program. They control the execution of program, manage the storage and processing, resourcing of the computer and perform other management and monitoring function. Example, operating system. Second one is system support program. They provide routine service functions to other computer program and computer user. Example, utility program. Third one is system development program. They assist in the creations of publication program. Example, language translator like interpreters, compilers and assemblers. Then second type is application software. Application software is that software that is designed to satisfy a particular need of a particular environment. These software are especially designed to solve the problem of one particular field. Application software is used in one application field only. We can't use application software in different fields to solve different problems. For example, application software for financial management cannot be used for designing purpose. Similarly, Microsoft Word is used for documentation purpose only. We can't use it for any other purpose. Such kind of software that are particularly developed to work in one application area only are known as application software. An application program or application software is a computer program designed to perform a group of coordinated functions, task or activity for the benefit of the user. Application software are all programs that perform specific tasks for users, which include word processing, spreadsheet, databases, presentations, emails, and web browser software. Examples of application software are Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Outlook Express, and Internet Explorer. The main features of application software are: application software is designed by analyzing the environment and the need of the area of use. We can't interchange the use of two application software with each other. We can't use application software for some those purpose except the permitted one. Easy to use and manipulate, more interactive and easy to design. The set of programs included in the application software packages are called the application programs, and the programmers who develop the application software are called the application software programmers or application software developers. Application software can be classified into two types. First one is pre-written application software and second one is customized application software. Pre-written application software are designed for common needs of various business organization or applications. These are developed by leading companies and sold as a product in the market. The cost of this software depends upon the functionality provided by the software, area of use, and expected number of users. For examples, all organizations need software for word processing instead of developing software itself. They can purchase a company built-in software. That means pre-written software like MS Word for this purpose. Then second time is customized application software is designed for a specific application of a specific environment. The cost of such software depends upon the extent of work automated through the software. For example, an organization need software to manage their account work. They will hire software engineers to create such software. And third type is utility softwares. It is a set of programs provided to ensure the proper functioning of the computers. Generally, utility software comes with some application software or with system software. There are several types of utility programs that are commonly used. Some utility programs allow you to backup files, some protect your computer from virus attacks, and some recover the information erased accidentally. In other words, we can say that utility programs or software perform housekeeping job in computer. Some examples of utility softwares are Notepad, WordPad, and antivirus programs. Then last is types of software applications are word processing applications, that means writing report, memos, letters. Second one is spreadsheet applications, keeping simple company account, calculating employee commission payment, simple stock control system modeling. Third one is database application, keeping customer record, sale records, appointment systems, and desktop publishing application, creating leaflets, posters, business cards. Next is presentation software, creating presentations to show to staff or students. And thanks.